I am Dr. Faith Harper, and I am the author of the Wall Street Journal bestseller, Unfuck Your Brain.
And I am Joe Beal, the author of 10, not as many books as Faith.
All of us have stuff that we need to work on, and that's scary to look at. It doesn't feel good to pay attention to how maybe we've hurt people. But it's all important work. That's how we learn and grow. And so how do we do that process in an authentic way rather than making it another public shit show?
Even things like quitting smoking, or if you want to develop a better exercise regimen, or they don't have to be grandstanding things about that you want to change about yourself. Dr. Faith has worked with patients for over 20 years. Mm-hmm. And how often is this in your practice, this kind of thing?
Oh, I mean, that's what people are going to therapy for. They're trying to change something in their life and finding out ways to do that effectively. Okay, I tried this on my own and that's not working. I need someone to help me with the accountability portion of the program and be my cheerleader and also give me ideas. So that's essentially what therapy is, right? It's creating change. Yeah.
And incorporating the brain science and the wherewithal, and having something to put behind the motivation to create that change.
Of understanding why it's difficult and how do you sort of hack that in useful ways. Because it can be really frustrating if you tried to make change before and have, felt that you failed at doing so, why that is, and what are the workarounds, knowing that, brains are kind of dicks to work with in this regard. They like what's comfortable, not what's new.
Like once you've sort of changed things about yourself, like how do you really lead your idealistic or best self out, from underneath that trap? Thanks so much for supporting this project. We really look forward to hearing how you have made yourself accountable and affected change in your own life.
Yeah, because we're going to take responsibility for when you do.